Wow, the wind is blowing everywhere. This is windy weather. Hold on to your hats. Can you say it with me? Windy like whoosh, fly your kite. Windy like whoosh, fly your kite. Look up. Do you see a red kite flying near that tree? Yes, that's Nino's kite. Let's catch it.
You did it. Thank you, Achu and friends. You saved my kite.